Well, hey guys, I've been gone for about a week, and Jana's been managing the job site, doing a great job. She was not here yesterday. She had an obligation she had to meet, so there's a little bit of a void in the filming. So I'm gonna walk you around, but we got some progress taken care of. So all the sheathing on the guest house has been installed, and the front wall of the garage is up. So made some progress. I'm sorry you missed it. I missed it too, so we're on the same page. But this will be my first time checking it out. All right, let's check out the guest house. Well, this is neat. All right, so guys, big window, another big window. This is gonna be where the bed is gonna sit, over in this area. It'll have a really nice view looking out into the wooded area. The living room area is going to have a nice view looking out over the creek. So nice big closet and a nice big bathroom here. So we got room for a stack washer and dryer, shower, vanity over here, toilet there, and then a wall of kitchen. Right through here is going to be a little trap door that will go to the basement. So that's actually labeled as a garbage chute for code. So but there will be a ladder that goes down into the basement, and we'll finish that basement out at a later time. So very neat. I think over on this side we're going to have the TV mounted on the wall. We've considered doing a little bit smaller window here. Just it's kind of an enormous window for the size, and maybe we don't need that much. Might be able to save a little bit of money by closing it in a little bit, maybe a foot on either side. I don't know, we're still debating. If we do that foot on either side, it's going to give us a little bit of more room on that little wall. We may be able to do a nice little fireplace or something over there, just to kind of keep with what we're going to do on the main house. All right guys, we really like the guest house. Let's check out this. So this is the garage here. We got my shop door here. We got 1, 2, 3 bays. So the front wall stood up. Still need a little bit of lumber. Looks like we've got to have just a couple cripple studs added in. So we'll get that lumber on Monday. And then we got everything else to frame it up, put the roof on, got all the sheathing. So this is gonna get knocked out quick. Today, Jan and I are gonna tackle putting on the ice and water shield membrane on the top of the roof. So that's, to me, a very important thing to do. I like ice and water shield on the entire roof line. I don't like to just put it like in valleys and on the edges. In our climate, in our zone, we don't get a lot of snow. We don't get a lot of ice dams or anything like that. But one thing that it does is it totally puts a membrane on top of that roof, and it's self-sealing. So if you ever get a penetration or something, that membrane will seal up around that penetration, and it's just like a little bit of a force field for your roof before your roof goes on. So we're going to tackle that right now. So guys, I just want to say that carrying these things up the ladder on the roof is awful. It is awful. Well, guys, we got 4 passes done. I think that's maybe 5 rolls completed. Jana had to take off for a second. She's gonna go grab some lunch for us. And whew, this is not an easy, I remember it being a lot easier than that. I think next time I try this, if there is a next time, I'm gonna pay to have it done. But I'm already knee deep in it right now, so time to keep going. So guys, no matter how hard I try to clean this roof, inevitably you're gonna find something like this. This little nail just popped up. I could have sworn I got this whole roof off, but so there's a little nail head that's sticking up about a 1/4 of an inch, and I gotta drive it back down. So that's just part of it. But you want to have a clean roof, smooth roof, and make sure you have a good installation on this stuff. Oh my God, I think I'm about dead. This is, this sucks. I think earlier I said it was awful. Now I just think it sucks.
We did it! It took 7 hours, but we did it. Thumbs up!